Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make one of my favorite meals that my mom makes for me, which is a cheesy mostaccioli, a side of salad, and some bread with butter on it. Since I do not eat meat, my mom always makes this for me. Delicious, fills me up, and it's so good. We're just gonna add 2 cups of water, full glasses. Just like that. After that, we're gonna go in with the oil. I'm going to just fill up just 1 spoon. And by the way, guys, my new EP Love Therapy is coming out soon, November 20th. So stay tuned for that because I know you guys have been having a lot of questions about that. So yes, November 20th, stay tuned for that. So now guys, next step, we're gonna go ahead and add our noodles. We're gonna let the water absorb into the noodles and then we're gonna try it out and see if it's ready. So for now, we're gonna move on to the bread. We're just gonna cut little pieces. So I'm gonna cut the bread. Next guys, what we're gonna do is grab the bread that we just cut and we're gonna make a slit through the middle so that we can apply the butter inside. So I'm just gonna open that up and apply some butter inside. Just enough. And then we're just gonna do that to the rest of your bread. Just a really simple step for you guys. Just add the butter. So after you guys are done with the bread, I'm just gonna put it in this pan right here. Salad time. So usually I'm just gonna grab this lettuce and I'm gonna wash it, of course. After I wash it, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this here and I'm gonna cut this part right here because you don't want that. And I'm just gonna cut that. Grab it and just cut it into slices. Super easy. After we do that, I'm just gonna put it into our salad bowl. And you're just gonna wash it out. Make sure your lettuce is nice and clean. And anything you don't want, I'm just gonna take that out. Any like hard parts. Now guys, we're gonna start with some lime. I like to first add that into my lettuce because I like it super filled with lime. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just add. Now after you guys add the lime in, you wanna just mix that together. Make sure all of it has lime in it, and yep, we're gonna move on to the tomatoes. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the corners. And you're cutting the sides. Now guys, after we are done cutting up our tomatoes, we're just gonna add them into the salad. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up so that it's everywhere. And yeah, we're just gonna go on with our avocados and cut through the middle like this. This avocado does not look good. What do I do? Okay. Oops, so it looks like I have a bad tomato this time. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna... Okay guys, so it looks like I got a bad avocado this time from the store, but you guys can definitely still use the good parts, which are green. So I'm just gonna cut those. So if you were to have a good avocado, you guys would just, again, cut them up into pieces like I did with the tomato. And you guys should be good. Tastes good. Okay guys, so let me clean this up real quick. Because I'm done with that. I'm done with this. I'm talking to you guys. So now guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in our sauce for the noodles and we're just gonna pour all of that in. So we're gonna let that sit and we'll be right back. Okay. Wait, where's my cheese? Cheese. I forgot my my cheese.
A few moments later.
Yes, this is the exact one I need. So now we're gonna go ahead and add some cheese, and then I'm gonna spread that out so that that's in the inside. So we're gonna add this so that it's like super cheesy. We're gonna keep just adding some and then mixing again. So let's wait for that. Almost ready.
Meanwhile.
Oh, yes, Jake is my favorite artist. True. Boss. True. True. Very true. Very true. Okay guys, so now we are all done with the dish. Now we're gonna pour some. So it's looking super, super cheesy right now, okay? So I'm gonna pour my first. Okay. It's gonna be super cheesy, but it's so good. Who's gonna taste try it, guys? Kyle? Come on over. Give you some bread. Some bread for this side. Okay.
I'm about to try it. I'm gonna give an honest opinion to them.
Okay. Show them how cheesy it is too. Super cheesy.
That's actually really good.
Oh my god!
Yeah, all y'all gotta try it. It's really good. I swear to God.
Oh my god. I'm so happy. Oh my god.
Nah, that's really good though. That's really good Mostaccioli.
Okay, who's next? So guys, that is all. I'm done making my Mostaccioli and the bread and the salad. As you guys can see, it was super successful. So don't be afraid if you guys never cook. Just follow this recipe. It could feed 5+ people, your family, and super easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I love you guys so much. Love Therapy is on the way November 20th, and enjoy. Bye, babes.
Boy, I'm showing you all the things you missed out when you show me you.